Today we are gonna demonstrate very briefly on how to search in your bookmarks in 2 seconds. It's really simple. Just type at in the address bar, select search bookmarks, and then type the keyword you would like to search. And here it goes. You can find the content here directly. And that's all. However, if you would like to search within the full text of your bookmarks, you will have to use the extra extension called Mind Echo. After installing it and importing it, you can find the full text here. For example, I remember somewhere in this article it mentions, well, the year 1900. Definitely it's not going to appear in the title, so I'm gonna type in the keyword, press enter, and wait for the results. Well, it brings up the link as well as the direct answer from the article. That's all.